Hola! So, our garden is in desperate need of water, so we started working on a new irrigation system which we just bought. We only made a small little mistake. We made like a fountain at a place where it doesn't belong. So we need to correct that, but we're making like all small tiny holes in this sprinkler tube, water tube, however you may call it. I don't see any ones that I can show you properly, but right, so there's a hose running right at the back of this border, which is in dire need of water, as you can see. That doesn't look too good anymore, so we're gonna fix that. Well, and over here we still have our big tube running, which needs fixing, so we'll start working on that. Right, let's do another test run. Water's flowing. We made one hole up here, which is not going yet. That doesn't sound too good. Let's see what's happening downstairs, because I got the feeling that it is flowing downstairs, but we made too many holes maybe, so that there's no pressure on the cable anymore, I guess. Yeah, there is some water flowing here. Yeah. They're like dripping. That's the big one. Right. So there is water flowing down here. There's just too many holes, I guess. Those at the end aren't even sprinkling at all. Okay, I'm gonna do some more tweaks then. Right, sprinklers down there, check, working. We're now working on the ones up here. I don't know if you can see it, but we have like tiny holes in the tube which are sprinkling. Yeah, you can see it a little over there. Right, so this wall gets water as well, as you can see, and it's connected to the hose next to our swimming pool, which is coming from there. And then here it is. And we put it between the trees, like in the zigzag shape. And with every little tree, there's a small hole. So they all get some water. As you can see, as you can hear. Those are pretty silent, but that's the end of the line, so, right. And then it's closed off here at the end. But we got a big tube over here, and what we're gonna do is the tube which is coming from up there, that's connected to the overflow of our water basin uphill. So if the water basin is completely full, this pipe will start flowing. So we want to connect this piece to, well, our own pipe, which ends over there. So that if the water basin is full and it's overflowing, that it will water our garden for free, kinda. And we're gonna have like a double split over here, because we're gonna put one more cable, and that one we will bury underground across this platform all the way to the end, with tiny connections to our trees. So to our avocado, pineapples, apples. Oh, we don't have pineapple, by the way. So here are those smaller cables, which will be connected to a bigger one underground over here. But I think we're gonna do that tomorrow because, well, it's nearly 5 at the moment, so it's getting late, it's getting colder, and well, we also really enjoy the sunset, so let's enjoy those last few minutes of sun. See ya next time. Bye bye.